Ever since its acquisition of Lucasfilm and Star Wars, many fans have been very angry at Disney for getting rid of the old Star Wars canon and naming it Star Wars Legends. Well, there's good news for more Legends fans. So before we get into the video, let me just quickly remind you guys to subscribe. And if you haven't yet, hit the notification bell to be notified the moment a new video goes up. So what has happened is that a member of the Lucasfilm story group has started teasing that more Star Wars Legends characters will soon be making their way back into canon. Now, of course, this wouldn't be the first time this has happened, as over the course of the last 3 years, we've definitely seen this start happening in comics. In the animated series Star Wars Rebels, we of course got Thrawn, who made his return, although a completely different character when you really think about it. He's still remaining very close to what made Thrawn unique, yet a different story that sets him in this new world. More specifically, the man said, if Tag and Blink can show up, then anything is possible. Now, of course, we know that Tag and Blink are going to be in the upcoming Solo: A Star Wars Story, unless something's gone haywire there and they're going to change something out, which with that movie, honestly, at this point, it could happen. But honestly, when you really think about it, this makes a lot of sense. Star Wars Rebels is ending, and from what we understand, they're already gearing up to make another animated series, and it really wouldn't surprise me. They were able to use a couple of Legends characters, start putting them into some of these other movies they're developing, and then start doing a few other things along with the comics to try to expand upon this world. Now, of course, we know that Star Wars isn't going away anytime soon. It's only going to get bigger and bigger, and more things are going to be happening, possibly even 2 movies a year down the road trying to do this Marvel style, so it definitely seems very interesting. You guys, let me know your thoughts on this. How do you feel about this, and what characters would you like to see get brought back?